Hey then, welcome back. Let's install SSL certificate in our website so that we can make it secure. Let's go ahead and get started. Well, here as you can see, I am already inside my terminal, and if I try to take a new window, you'll see that I can run the website and it's strange. It's not secure. It's, as you can see, it's not secure. It's just HTTP. We don't want that. Let's just quickly now we have to install another software called Certbot. Sudo apt install Certbot. It will ask for the permission. Don't worry about it, just install it. And then we will say sudo apt get update. It's going to update our computer. Well, it's done. Then we have to just type sudo apt get install python 3 certbot nginx. We have to install this. Let's just enter. Voila, it's installed. Now we just need to type sudo certbot -nginx and then d for your domain name. Now we just need to type admin.tech. Sudo certbot -nginx -d and admin.tech. That's pretty much it. Just click on enter. It's going to ask enter email address used for urgent renewal and security notices. Okay, no issues. Let's just say support@admin.tech. You have to provide your email address. So I give mine. Do I accept the terms and services? If I don't accept, I won't be able to use. So indirectly, I have to just type yes. Would you be willing to, once first candidate successfully issued, to share email address with Elaka? No, I don't want. It asking whether you are giving permission to them or this organization to share my email address with other third-party kind of services. No, I don't want that. Account is registered, requesting a certificate for admin.tech. Let's wait. Okay, great. It's done, I guess. All right. Let's just take a new incognito window. Why incognito? I did a lot of tests and the caches are there, so I don't want to mess it up. Admin.tech. Let's go for it. HTTPS. Great. It's HTTPS now. Great. We have installed the SSL certificate, but there is a little thing to do. We have to just type certbot renew. Don't worry, I'm explaining. Just give me a second. Dry run. Certbot renew dry run. The following error was occurred. Permission denied. Blah blah blah. Okay, don't worry on that. Let's just type sudo. Simulating renewal of an existing. Perfect. It's a success. What did I do? Well, this SSL certificate is valid for only 90 days. It's very, it's short span of time, but yeah, it is what it is. If we run this command and dry run, once this 90 days period is over, it's going to automatically generate new SSL certificate for us and issue it. So we don't need to just come back and do it. Like, we don't want that. So this is one such way how we can implement SSL certificate. I hope you have a rock solid idea by now. Let me know if you have any more questions, and just give me a thumbs up or at least a comment. That will just help me. And let's go ahead and get started with other videos, and I'm gonna surely catch you up in the next one.